My 80-year-old grandma had a persistent dry cough for months that wouldn't quit until she tried this. Today, I'm sharing her incredible natural syrup to crush bronchitis, deep clean lungs, fight throat infections, stop dry coughs, and soothe respiratory issues. Best of all, it uses just 4 common, super affordable ingredients you probably already have. First, finely chop 1 red onion. Its powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties clear airways and fight infections. Next, finely chop or grate 5 garlic cloves, a natural antimicrobial and antibiotic, great for lung cleansing and asthma. Then, grate a 2 to 3 centimeters piece of ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that soothe coughs. To prepare, boil 2 cups of water, turn off the heat, add the onion, cover, and infuse for 10 minutes. Once cooled, transfer the onion and 3/4 of the liquid to a sterilized glass jar. Add the chopped garlic and ginger, mixing well. Finally, fill the rest of the jar with 100% pure honey, mixing thoroughly. For colds, flu, or sore throats, take 1 teaspoon every 8 hours. To cleanse your lungs and airways, consume 2 teaspoons daily, 1 in the morning on an empty stomach and 1 before bed. This remedy is life-changing. Like, save, and follow for more natural health secrets.